One thing that can be pretty overwhelming is the variety of papers that are available. There's a lot out there. And if you're trying to make a quality photo print and it's not coming out just the way you wanted, the most likely possibility is you might not have selected the right paper with the right settings that you have on your computer. So we've got a lot of different varieties here. I mean, there's the premium photo paper in the smaller sizes and the larger sizes, somewhere in between, mattes, ultra premium glossy. Then we have this iron-on cool peel transfer. I mean, how do you know which one to pick, and then how do you get the right settings? Let me show you how that works. So let's get these puppies lined up. The right paper with the right settings every time. So first off, we're definitely not dealing with text here. This is a photo, so click it. All right, next up, do we want to fix the photo? No, there's no red eye. Reverse the order, a print preview? Well, these are all settings that you can go for depending on the photo that you're trying to print. But the most important thing here is to make sure that the paper selection is correct. You're going to want to make sure you select the proper source. In this case, on the Artisan, it'll be the front tray. The paper type. I know that the kind of paper that I have in my Artisan right now is the 5x7 Premium Photo Paper Glossy. Now I just want to make sure that this matches the selection I make on the computer. So let's see. And there it is. Premium Photo Paper Glossy. And right below it, we find where we can adjust the size. And there's the 5x7. And for this one, I want to make sure there's no borders on it, so I'm going to select borderless. It's telling me that it's going to do a bit of enlargement, but I can adjust that as well. By clicking over here in Page Layout, you'll see that down here there's an option to adjust your borderless enlargement. I'm going to select Expansion Minimum. So now we know that selecting the type of paper you're using is very important. And that goes for any time you're just printing directly from the printer as well. Let me show you where those settings are at. So if I went in here to select a photo, let's see if we can find the same one. Aha, there we have it. So I want to make sure that I've got the same premium glossy photo paper selected in the 5x7 size. So I'm going to go to Menu, Print Settings, Paper Type, and this is just premium glossy, so I'm going to select that. I've got the borderless on, and that's nice. Quality's at best, and yes, indeed, the paper size is 5x7. As long as you've got the paper size right and the type of paper that you're using, you're going to have a great print every single time. The other options that are available to you are things such as matte, luster. I mean, there's a lot of selections out there. So just make sure you check out the packaging to get the right settings when you're ready to print.
EPSON. Exceed your vision.